Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news, or canoes, if you like kazoos. Element Discovery Weekend is coming up on March 9th through 11th, and this Wednesday, January 31st, is the final day for the early bird registration fee. So sign up now at elementdiscoveryweekend.com. Take advantage of this great money-saving opportunity before it flies away. So sign up now for Discovery Weekend. This bird will be here, unless you don't want her to be. We will get rid of her, we promise. She will go away if it means you'll come to Discovery. Just let us know.